Welcome! If you've ever wanted to keep a surprise, hide a spoiler, or simply conceal part of your message in a Telegram chat, the latest Telegram web update makes it easier than ever. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide a part of your message on Telegram web using the new spoiler feature, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the chat where you want to send your message. This could be a private conversation, a group, or even a channel. Now, type out your message in the chat box as you normally would. Think about which part of your message you want to keep hidden. Maybe it's a movie spoiler, a punchline, or just something you want the other person to reveal themselves. Next, use your mouse to select the exact part of the message you want to hide. Just click and drag over the text, or double-click to highlight a word. Once your text is selected, look for the spoiler icon in the formatting menu that appears above or below your selected text. It usually looks like an eye with a line through it. Click on the spoiler icon. Instantly, you'll notice that the selected text becomes blurred or covered, indicating that it's now hidden. This means that when you send the message, only the part you chose will be concealed, and everything else will remain visible. Finally, hit send. Your message will appear in the chat, with the hidden section blurred out. Anyone who receives your message can click or tap on the blurred text to reveal what's underneath. But until they do, your secret is safe. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can add an extra layer of fun, suspense, or privacy to your Telegram conversations. Try it out the next time you want to share something, but not all at once. Thanks for watching, and enjoy chatting on Telegram web with this handy new feature.